Right guys, it's very early in the morning. I have to F off all the way to Wales to Phil Price Rally School to meet Ruaíri. Gonna watch him test today. I'm hopefully gonna get some time in the car as well, most likely in the passenger seat, just to get a feel of how things are, be sent around a little bit, get a feel for the weight of the car. He's gonna teach me some things. I'm gonna plan on learning a lot today. I wanna kind of get to grips with how, you typically prepare for a rally. This is gonna be a very valuable experience. I feel water dripping out of my beard. But anyway, I'm running a little bit late. I need to shoot off. Hop in the 500 bhp straight pipe Golf R. Let's wake up the whole neighbourhood and shoot out. Right guys, we've made it to Phil Price Rally School in Wales. Rory has already been out on a couple of runs. On his first run, he actually punctured his rear left tyre and has damaged the rim. So that's already cost him a fair bit of money already, and it's barely even started. So I don't know if you can hear the drills in the background, but I think he's changing over to a new set of tyres now. He's got so many more runs to go. We've only really just started. He's got a lot of data to analyse, and see where he can be improving with things like braking distance, braking zone, steering, all that sort of stuff. There's so many technical aspects to this, so it's a bit of a learning day today, as much as it is getting in the car and having fun. Amazing weather here in Wales, which you can't say every day, so should be a good one. Stay tuned guys. Rory's going to take me out in the car later on in the day for a passenger lap, so I've got my GoPro. I'm going to record a little POV of that, and let's see what happens aside from that. I'll get some footage, show you a little bit of the area, and yeah, should be a good one. Stay tuned guys.
Summer solstice got me high, yeah. Does it make you wanna scream? Summer solstice got me high, yeah. Does it make you wanna scream?
Through the power of Chris's, I am working very hard. We've changed different brake bias, different ride height, and they've definitely positively affected the car. We're now going to take the tyres to see how that allows us to last longer on stage. I don't know don't know what the tyre wear is going to be like because of the nature of the heat and the length of the stages. So.
Right guys, so Rory's had a few runs, we've tried some different setups. He's got to then go back and research the data again and figure out what sort of setup he prefers for this style of stage. Bearing in mind all stages are different, all stages have different gradients, different sort of levels and steepness of turns, if that makes sense. And so you can never be 100% accurate all the way across the board and sort of cater to every single stage there is out there, but this test gives him a good idea of where he wants to be for a similar sort of gravel setup essentially. So Rory's going to get some last few runs in, then I'm going to hop in the car and have an absolute ride of a lifetime being sent around this stage of Phil Price Rally School. So very exciting. One just fucking tenders.
It's like 1.5.
That's wicked. Right guys, so I've just had my run with Rory in the passenger seat. I can safely say I can only aspire to be as precise as he is when it comes to driving. Absolutely incredible precision, and the speed he carries through some of the sections of the stage is just, it's mind-boggling. I am mind-boggled. What an incredible experience that was, and safe to say, you know, I have a lot of work to put in terms of making sure I have a successful future in my rallying. And yeah, hopefully, you know, Rory's going to be by my side teaching me the ways. That was absolutely incredible, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Please hit the subscribe button too. Make a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what sort of content you'd like to see in the future. And yeah, I'm excited for the next video that I get to bring you guys. Aside from that, take care, enjoy the hot weather. Peace.